how to put a Black+Decker cordless drill in reverse. Now, I have a spade bit in here. Will not make any difference what bit you have in your Black+Decker drill. This button here is what's key. Now, if you see the logo here, this is the information label. You want to look at this, and you should see the black button here pressed towards you. Now, you see this back arrow here? This is an indication that this is in reverse. So, if we press it now while it's out, you can see that's forward motion. So you want to press this in. You see that press in then? Let's push it out, press it in. Now, this backward and reverse motion is activated. So let's spin that. And you see, we've now put our Black+Decker in reverse. And that's how easy it is. Hopefully you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.